Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all have been doing good. For all you coffee lovers out there, today we'll be making the Espresso Martini. And of course we'll be using the Blue Mountain coffee. After all, we're in Jamaica, right? Or at least I am. Anyways, recipe coming up right now. For this drink, ice is necessary in the shaker because for martinis we don't usually use ice in the glass, so you have to chill the drink somehow. And also you gotta chill the glass as well. We'll be adding 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of espresso coffee, half an ounce of coffee liqueur, and also half an ounce of simple syrup. This cocktail is usually garnished with some coffee beans. However, for me, it's a long walk to the Blue Mountains and back, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. If you don't like that, you can probably tell me about it in the comments below. We can have a discussion about what you think. And if you like this video, you can go ahead and give this video a like. And don't forget to share with your friends because I'm sure that there's some coffee lovers out there that would love to try this cocktail. I'll see you guys next time, okay?